Y'all can pretty much set this thing up and design it for any width, length, height that you need. The secondary trailer that we have, you can combine the ends. We've got a way to put them together so you can build it taller if you need to. Like I said, the sides and the ends are interchangeable. You can make it however wide, however short, however high that you need to do. This thing is real simple to put together. Once you get your side panels on, make sure that your pins and your keepers are in place. You can put the end ones in, you can make it the long ones. We've got different sizes over here you can choose from. For a standard trench, if you're going to be laying pipe or something through it, you can actually adjust that one panel. If y'all will, let's go ahead and put that panel in. You're going to stand it up. You got that in? You're going to stand it up and you're going to pin it. Let's drop down to about right here. Get your pins in one side.
I got to lean this out.
Once you get your pins in, make sure your keepers go in your pins so that they're locked in place. Go ahead and get your ones on this side. There you go, right there. All right, like I said, this thing is adjustable. You can set it to, if you were laying pipe on this, that would give you enough clearance to put your pipe in. We've got the other side panels that you can put on here. Just remember, when you're using this, you want it at least 8 inches to a foot above the side of your hole. That way, if someone's to walk up and not kick anything down over on you, you need it to pretty much make it so that it fits your ditch. You don't want a big space on either side of it. If there was a collapse or anything on that one, if it's against one bank or if it's not, so you got a gap foot or so on both sides, and it was to collapse on one side, it could take a chance of throwing that box over if you're in it. You know, not that you wouldn't be protected, but it's the fact that you've already compromised the hole. Okay. Like I said, we can raise these up. We've got the adjustable legs over there that we can put on the bottom of it. They'll fit up in there and they pin in place also. Like I said, with the one that we have at Chase, we have another trailer out there. We can take one of these panels here and come up and go half with this one and go half with the other. That way we can join the two of them together to make it taller if we need to. We've also got the larger box over there that you can do. This is a real simple deal that you can configure pretty much any way you want to. If y'all need it, let us know. If your foreman can't get it to you, call me or Brian. We'll be happy to deliver it to you. We'll come out, help you set it up, show you however you want to do it, and stay with you if you need us. That's why I said this thing's pretty much, you can set it however you want. If we get the other trailer, you can bring this one panel here into here, shorten it up, flip those around however you need to. Like you said, you can build a T if you need to, and we can set it down and do what we got to do. We've also got those fin boards over there. Y'all don't forget also, we've got that new blow-up trench box that we've got up there on the gas dock. That thing takes you about 5 minutes to set up. Time you get your hose hooked to it, inflate it, you're blown up in 5 minutes. It's good to go. It takes you longer to disassemble it and put it back in the box than it does to use it. Now, somebody tell me what depth hole you need to be in before you're shoring your equipment, before you're using a trench box.
Anything.
If you're bent over on your hands and knees and your vital organs are below the top of the ground, which could be this deep, you think you need to shore that?
Short. Yep.
Reason being, if you can't do a push-up with a Ford Explorer on your back, you won't shore it up. Therefore, like I said, we've got these fin boards with the jacks. You've got that blow-up up there if it's going to be something that's going to be in and out quick with, that you don't need a major setup. You know, if y'all doing a new service, just making a tap on one real quick. Bring that blow-up box out with you. It's a little connector, hooks to your air hose, take you just a few minutes to do it. We can bring you this one. You can make it as short with the side panels that we've got the different lengths. We can short it down if we need to. Anybody got any other questions on this? Y'all make sure we use it. We've got it. If you need it, holler at us and we'll get it to you.